well begun is half done. This applies to doing a GPS job as well. Suppose you are tasked with taking inventory of street trees in a town. You are equipped, for example, with a GPS receiver and an iPad device running the iCMTGIS 3 GPS GIS data collection application software. Instead of simply going out there and entering the relevant information for each tree you visit, you can make your job much easier by first setting up a featured list in the iCMTGIS 3 app. A featured list helps you prescribe how data is to be collected and organized. You will want to place the same type of features on the same GIS map layer, also called a featured topic. Because you will be collecting similar information for all the street trees, you will group all the tree features in the same featured topic. Suppose you wish to record the tree species, the approximate age, the approximate height of the tree, and whether it is diseased. You can create a topic layer named Tree in the app. For this tree topic, you can specify how long you will stand at each tree to record the GPS fixes. Let's put in 300. You can also select a symbol for the tree feature. We will tap in the Attribute section, then tap on Add to add an attribute for the tree topic. The app will let you store a list of predefined values for the attribute. For species, we will tap in the Value section, then tap on Add to add each tree species that you are likely to encounter in the town. For example, flowering cherry, magnolia and Japanese maple. For age, you could define young and mature. For height, you could define a few ranges, such as 5 to 10 feet, 11 to 20 feet, 21 to 30 feet, and greater than 30 feet. For diseased, you could define yes and no. If you wish, you could add other topic layers to the same job. After you have defined a feature list, you can associate it with any of your data collection job. Then during data collection, all you have to do is to select the desired piece of data from a drop-down list. No need to type anything. After collecting the data, when you turn on Sheet View in the app, you will be able to see all the tree records and their associated attributes in a spreadsheet format. The iCMTGIS 3 app will also let you include the X, Y and Z position values as attributes of your tree topic layer. You can export the information in the sheet view in the form of shapefiles, Excel file, DXF file, and KML file. Thank you for watching.